Too early to get everything squared away for the judges back?
Can I ask a quick question?
Well, one second. You think that's a little too quick to turn around?
I think he's pretty full that day
Okay.
too.
All right, so we'll go with July 10th for your date with Judge Hesselink.
Yeah,
What's your question, sir?
This is a show cause hearing, but you don't want to know the cause for why I'm not paying child support?
You just told me you have no intent. If you want to.
Because the children are at my home. In fact, our oldest daughter has lived with me since the court date when this was decided. You can confer with Ms. Klein about that.
Well, the appropriate remedy is to file a motion to change support if there's been a change in the.
You mean like all of these motions that I filed before and like this entire stack of paper right here?
I don't see a motion that you filed recently to change the support.
No, not recently, because I had to spend years to get custody of my kids, and Ms. Klein walked in and asked for them, and you provided them to her. So I have a stack of receipts and motions that I've filed in the past. I have no intentions of paying her.
Okay. All right. Thank you for that clarification. You'll be set for July 10th before Judge Hesselink.
I probably won't show up.
Versus Dustin Price, file number 11-14071 DS. Do we have anyone present on that matter?
I'm present.
Thank you. Do we have Dustin Price present?
I'm present as well.
All right, thank you, sir. In front of the court, what is the status of this matter?
The defendant has a monthly support obligation of $1,329. Current balance on this case is $9,041.11. The defendant has not made any payments. This case started charging in February and went back to November when the parenting time plan has changed. I've not had any communication with Mr. Price.
Thank you. Mr. Price, what would you like to say?
I have no intentions of paying this whatsoever.
Perfect. Ms. Klein, anything that you'd like to say?
No, I don't think so.
All right. Well, given this statement that there's no intention to pay, the appropriate step is to set the matter before the judge. I'm not able to put anybody in jail for non-payment or for contempt, but certainly the judge has that ability. So that would be the appropriate step to address the issue.
You don't want to know why or anything like that?
You can explain that to the judge, sir.
Oh, cool.
So
okay.
We'll adjourn your matter to June 26th. Might be too early to get everything squared away for the judges back.
Can I ask a quick question?
Well, one second. You think that's a little too quick to turn around?
I think he's pretty full that day too.
All right, so we'll go with July 10th for your date with Judge Hesselink.
Yeah,
what's your question, sir?
This is a show cause hearing, but you don't want to know the cause for why I'm not paying child support?
You just told me you have no intent. If you want to.
Because the children are at my home. In fact, our oldest daughter has lived with me since the court date when this was decided. You can confer with Ms. Klein about that.
Well, the appropriate remedy is to file a motion to change support if there's been a change in the.
You mean like all of these motions that I filed before and like this entire stack of paper right here?
I don't see a motion that you filed recently to change the support.
No, not recently, because I had to spend years to get custody of my kids, and Ms. Klein walked in and asked for them, and you provided them to her. So I have a stack of receipts and motions that I've filed in the past. I have no intentions of paying her.
Okay. All right. Thank you for that clarification. You'll be set for July 10th before Judge Hesselink.
I probably won't show up.
Typically, if there's a failure to appear, a bench warrant is issued.
That's fine. They have my address on file. This court has failed my children. This court has failed me, and I do not respect its authority.
Clearly. Thank you, sir. Court next call the matter of Sarah Gentz
This is another name I'm not familiar with. Cryfield?
Critchfield. Critchfield.
Creefield?
Close enough, yes, ma'am.
I'm sorry, say it again, please.
Critchfield.
Creefield.
Yeah, close enough.
Okay. Sorry.
So you're okay. I have a question. Like, I haven't been arrested on anything like since I've been off parole. So this, whatever this is not me that was arrested.
Okay. So there's an arrest warrant for you out of Adams County, Colorado. So Colorado says that you have been charged with identity theft.
You know, what day was that? Because I haven't been arrested or anything.
It's alleged to have occurred between December 1st and May 6th, December 1st of 25 through May 6th of 2026.
Okay.
And these are,
Because I lived in Inglewood. I never lived in Adams County. I wasn't even in Adams County.
okay. The case number is 2016 CR 1319.
Okay. Yeah,
So
that wasn't me that got arrested.
this is what we call a fugitive information or fugitive
Okay.
warrant. It's 26 MR 117. The MR is just sort of a miscellaneous number. So what we have to do is when law enforcement runs across an out-of-state warrant, they have to detain you. Then they give notice to that state, hey, you have a warrant in the system for this person. We believe we have the person that you issued the warrant for. What do you want to do? And so the prosecutor's office has to look over the warrant. This one is not, it looks like it's filled out for May 29, 26. So it's fairly recent by a magistrate. They will confirm the warrant, get fingerprints, get probable cause affidavit, all of the stuff to establish whether or not the person charged is you.
Yeah.
Now, we don't do anything as far as guilt or evidence is concerned. We just have to make sure there's a lawful warrant and that the person that they're seeking is in fact you. And they have to get a governor's warrant to extradite you unless you waive extradition. Now, if you would waive extradition today, then we would simply notify them to come get you, because the only way you can go across state lines, even to Colorado, is by consent or with a governor's warrant. And it takes up to 90 days to get a governor's warrant if you extradite someone. They have set a bond amount for you of $5,000 cash or surety. So in the interim, you got two choices. Well, you got three. You can ask to have court-appointed counsel, which I'll see if you qualify. But you could either waive extradition right now, they'd get notified, they'd have to come get you, or you can not waive extradition. And I will set this for an extradition hearing in 90 days. And you have a bond, you can make the bond, but you have to reappear on that 90th day to see if we have a governor's warrant or not.
Yeah, I want to be able to make the bond.
Okay, so 5,000 cash or surety bond. It looks like it's an identity theft. They will notify the district or county attorney's office there that you're not waiving extradition. They need to extradite. The jail.
And it's just not me though. It's not me that got charged though. That's the thing. Like, it wasn't me.
Okay. Well, we'll see how that plays out.
Last year I filed for my identity got stolen last year. I made a police report and like they didn't do nothing about it. And now it's coming up on this. Like, my wife just died 3 days ago out here. And now I'm dealing with this bullshit.
Okay. Wow. Well, how long have you been here?
I literally just got out here like three days ago.
Oh.
Like, I got on the Greyhound in Denver 3 nights ago, and I've been,
Okay. Well, I can't do anything. They have a warrant that's in the system that is for you. They set your bond at 5,000. Sometimes they don't set any bonds at all. You do have a bond. You can speak with an attorney. You can fill out an application for court-appointed counsel if you want to. And I will give you a court date. I don't know, was this assigned to any district judge or is that me because I'm doing first appearances?
That's correct. It's with you, Judge.
September. All right. So I will set this for September 4th at
So I'll be in here until September 4th.
2:30. Unless you can make bond.
This is fucking retarded.